Welcome back to Business Shark community. Our topic today is AI. And I know it's a huge topic, especially since November 2022 when ChatGPT launched, and I think a really AI craze has started since then. And that's why I got this I got this ChatGPT subscription. I think it's 20 euro, and just wanted to play around with it. And I listened to some podcasts, and I'm just to know how to use it. And I think the most important point that they're all talking about is, or one of the most important points, is that you don't use the auto model, the default models. You have to use the thinking model. And that's why I just wanted to try out the thinking model and to see what's the difference between auto and thinking. Yeah, so let's just dive into it and look what happened. So now we are going to test ChatGPT out. You see here's my standard chat window, and I have activated ChatGPT Auto. I think this is the default mode, and I will just type in a question. What is the biggest misconception the public has about AI? So let's do it. Here it goes. Okay. Now the biggest misconceptions. First, AI understands things like human. Okay, this is obviously not the case. Many people believe AI systems actually understand meaning. So, yeah, they do not understand us. AI is almost AGI. So I think a lot of people from the optimistic camp think that AI is close to AGI. But it just has incredible strengths in certain areas like language generation or pattern recognition. Okay, point 3. Okay, this is more in the pessimistic camp. AI is just hype and doesn't do anything real. Okay, I was one of them. Yeah, I admit it. Yeah, fraud detection, customer support. Yeah, there are a lot of fields AI can improve and improve the productivity, and I think this is really important, and I see it now too. AI answers are facts. Okay, so actually there are five things the ChatGPT auto lists. So let's move back. Let's just take this question, copy it, change to thinking mode. So now we have thinking here, and enter it again. So we will see, are there any differences between the two modes, or is it actually the same? I'm just wondering, because I think this answer is quite short. And I'm in thinking mode, and I just got the same points. Yeah, some people overestimate it, some people underestimate AI. Okay, I'm a little bit surprised, I have to say, because the thinking mode answer is quite short. So here's the thinking mode answer, and it want to give me some Business Shark style one-line versions. So yeah, actually I have used it already for Business Shark videos, and that's why it's suggesting it. But I'm a little bit confused, and actually, yeah, the ChatGPT auto answer is quite long, and the thinking mode answer is quite short, and I don't understand why and what's the difference. Maybe you have some suggestions what's the reason for it, but for me, actually, I think this answer is more more yeah, what should I say, more just longer and better, and it lists some points in comparison to that answer. I maybe it's because it was in the same chat, so ChatGPT thinking just skipped the whole part and didn't list the bullet points again. I don't know, but maybe you have some suggestions. But right now, I would say ChatGPT Auto isn't that bad compared to thinking. And in this test, thinking was even worse. Thank you for your attention, Business Shark community. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see us next time. And never forget, attack and bite.